In this video, you'll learn how to recover your CRA User ID and restore your account in just a few minutes, so you can regain access to your Canada Revenue Agency services without any stress. First, open your browser and go to canada.ca. Search for CRA My Account and click the official link to access the CRA login page, where you'll start the process of recovering your user ID securely. Next, click on Forgot Your CRA User ID right below the login form. The CRA will guide you through the recovery process, asking you to verify your identity with several pieces of personal information for security. Now, enter your social insurance number, date of birth, and other personal details exactly as they appear on your tax records. The CRA uses this information to confirm that you are the legitimate account holder. After that, answer the security questions you set up when you first created your account. If you don't remember them, you may need to call the CRA directly to verify your identity over the phone. Once your identity is verified, the CRA will reveal your user ID on screen or send it to your registered email. Save it somewhere safe, then use it along with your password to log in successfully. And that's it. Your CRA User ID is now recovered and your account is fully restored for managing your taxes.